inside me like that.
You keep what you kill, Riddick!
Don't know how many times I've been crossed off the list and left for dead. So this ain't nothing new. When we did the Chronicles of Riddick, we actually envisioned doing 3 movies. We had always promised to continue that franchise. Fans have said, please make this movie.
It was a question of where we go next.
To service the mythology, you had to set it in an environment that was similar to Pitch Black, and yet keeps the question alive. Where is Riddick from, and where is he going?
We quickly settled in on a story that found Riddick left for dead on a fairly exotic alien world.
That's supposed to be where he's from. And in seconds he realizes it's not Furia.
And he's having none of it.
I needed a way out. Nobody wants to be on this planet in 24 hours. Just had one thing in my way.
I've been hunting Riddick for 10 years. He's the most dangerous man we've ever tracked.
This movie has him battling a hostile environment to get off-world and survive.
He just wants to go home.
I've come to collect your head in a box, right here!
Yet again, we play for blood.
It is dark and visceral.
This is a man who sees in the dark. Watch out for surprises.
What is it?
What is happening?
Time's up.
Yeah, let's cut him loose.